For the book, The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes, I have a cover document and 12 independent chapter files. If I look at my Pages panel, Chapter 1 is numbered 1 through 18, Chapter 2, 1 through 14, and the cover has a cover page, a backup, and a blank table of contents. What we're going to do is use the book feature of InDesign to add InDesign files to that panel, and InDesign will automatically number the pages as those chapters or files are coming in. So I'll start by doing File, New, Book. And I'll put this in my Chapter 7 folder, and I'll call it Sherlock Holmes. And it gets the extension INDB for InDesign Book. And I'll hit Save. Here I have an empty book panel, and I'm going to start by hitting the plus sign in the lower right corner to add documents. And in my Chapter 7 folder, I'll add the cover, which is numbered A and B for the front and the backup to the front, and the letter I for the table of contents page. I'll hit the plus sign to add Chapter 1. In fact, I can hold down Shift and add all the chapters, chapters 1 through 12, and hit Open. And InDesign will add all 12, and as it's adding them, it will number the pages. So you'll notice that Chapter 1 is now numbered 2 through 19. Chapter 2 is numbered 20 through 33. And if you want to open a chapter, you double-click on it. The book panel doesn't copy anything, move anything, or delete anything. It simply tracks page numbers. And here I could see which chapters are open. Now I'd like the book to actually start at number 1 where Chapter 1 comes in. So I'll double-click on the 2 through 19. Right in the book panel, I double-clicked on the page number, and the book is ending at 173 right now. But I'm going to hit Start Page Numbering At and type a 1 and click OK. And once that's numbered 1, it will correct all the page numbers that follow. So to output the complete book, I'll select the cover, hold down Shift and click the last chapter, and instead of File Print from your menu bar or File Export to PDF from your menu bar, I will go to the Book Panel menu and choose Export Book to PDF. That way you could see the entire thing on my screen. So when I choose Export Book to PDF, it will take all selected chapters, and I'll leave the name the same, and I'll choose Adobe PDF for print. I'll click Save, and I'll use High Quality Print, and I'll check View PDF after exporting, and click Export. And now it's taking all of these individual chapters, merging them into one final PDF document. It will launch Acrobat or Adobe Reader and open up the document for me. So if I were to drag chapters up or down, it would renumber the pages. And if I remove chapters from the book, it no longer tracks the page numbers. But here's the finished piece, 175 pages. I still need to add my table of contents, but I'll do that later. And now all the documents are in here in a linear order. And that is a book created from separate files in InDesign that get the pages numbered automatically as you add the chapters.